Today's tutorial is going to be the Isabella in 3.5 inches from Treto.com. It's die number 981. So let's get started. Let's get our self-healing mats. We have our plate here. So this one is like a layer that goes on top of the tail. So I'll cut out two of those out since we have two sides. We'll lay those two right here. I always do my print, which is little hearts, for this one. So put my print one here. My tails here. This is the other tail and the loop. So I got a big strip here to cover those up. And make sure everything is covered. Okay. Okay, now that we have everything ready onto our die, get my little Sizzix plates. I'm gonna roll it through our Sizzix Big Shot Plus right here to cut it out for us. Put you guys back this way. So we have our loop, we have our two tails, we have our other tail, and we have that one. So first things first is we're going to do the tails. So these tails, I'm going to show you guys a little bit, go on top of these tails right here. So we're going to get our glue gun real quick. We're going to add hot glue here. And glue this on to this side. And press down. We'll be adding a little clay to this little girl. That's why I chose the pinks and whites. So same thing on this other side. We're going to add hot glue here. And then glue it onto this side. So cute. Okay, so this is how the tails are looking. Okay, next we do this part. We're going to glue this part right here. So flipping this one over. We're going to add hot glue right here. Bring this piece towards the middle. Glue that down. So this is how this looks right here. This right here. So now what we're going to do is bring these two right here. So we're going to add a little bit of hot glue right here. And bring these two this way. And then stick that down. So we're looking like this. Same thing on the other side. Add hot glue here. Bring these two this way. And press down. So we're looking like this. Next we're going to add hot glue here. Bring it towards the middle. And press down. And then same on the other side. We're going to add hot glue here. Bring it towards the middle. And press down. Look how cute. Okay, now we're going this way. We're going to add this one right here. So we're going to add our BSI glue since this is faux leather in the back. Squeeze some BSI glue here. I'm going to add hot glue here. And then put this one on top of this one. And now we're going to elevate it a little bit. So we're going to add this little girl here. So I cut out two pieces of glitter. So I have a thicker one. This is going to be my wraparound. And I have a thinner one, which will be my elevation piece. So for the elevation piece, all I'm going to do is add some hot glue. And I'm going to fold over. So just to elevate her a little bit. So one more fold, that should be good. Add hot glue to end my fold. And then I'm going to cut this right here. So this piece I'm going to add to the middle here. So since this is faux leather, we need our BSI glue. I get this off of Amazon. I do have it on my Amazon storefront for you guys. I'm going to add hot glue to the back of this one. And stick her in the middle. I'm going to hold down for a couple seconds. To make sure that holds very well. Then we're going to get our little girl here. Oh my gosh, she looks so cute. We're going to add a hot glue to the back here. Get our little strip here. This is a thicker one. Go back this way. I'm going to add hot glue to the edge, on top, right here. I'm going to wrap it all the way around. Press down. I'm going to go towards the back and cut off what we don't need. like that. Okay, so now we're looking like this. You can't see the centerpiece we added, the little elevation piece. So now we could glue our little girly girl on top. So to add clays to bows, I use the Stick Fast, the thick kind, and the Star Bond Accelerator. You can find these two on my Amazon storefront as well. First what I'm gonna do is add some Stick Fast to the middle of the bow. A little bit goes a long way. So right here I'm just spreading it. We don't need that much Stick Fast, you guys. Then I'm gonna flip my clay over and I'm gonna spray her 2 times with the Star Bond Accelerator. So 1 pump, 2 pumps. I sprayed her twice. I'm gonna flip her over and we're gonna stick her in the middle. Make sure your hand is dry. Then you can add a little bit of pressure for she can hold on. So you're gonna add pressure for 10 to 20 seconds to make sure she's nice and secure, and then she'll be ready to go. So then we'll attach your alligator clip teeth. Look at it. So cute. Okay, let's flip her over. Here's my alligator clip. I'm gonna add hot glue to the back of it. I line my alligator clips with 1/4 inch girl grain ribbon. Add hot glue. Stick our alligator clip to the back. Then I want to add some pressure to it. Make sure it's nice and stuck onto the back of the bow. Then I'm going to open it up to make sure this doesn't cover up the teeth. It does not. So I'm going to add some hot glue here. Open it back up. Put my little piece in the middle. Hold down. Go this way. We're going to open it up one more time. Add hot glue to the middle. Bring our 1/4 inch girl grain ribbon towards the center. Get our X-Acto right quick, and we're gonna rub it to make sure the ribbon's actually stuck to the glue, which it is. Then we're gonna grab our lighter right quick. Make sure our edges are nice and clean. When you use your lighter, make sure you use the blue part of the flame, not the orange. This cleans off the bow, gets rid of the glued strings and all the fuzzies too. Let's get a bow card and add her to the bow card. So this one is the Isabella in 3.5 inches from Treto.com. It is one of my favorites. Clip her on, and she is done. Isabella 3.5. It is die number 981 from Treto.com, the 3.5 inch. Super cute.